Hi, Charlie Kuhn here, Senior Specialist at Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'd like to personally invite each and every one of you to join us here in Auburn, Indiana, Labor Day weekend, September 1st, 2nd, and 3rd for our annual classic car auction. One of the cars we'll be selling at no reserve is this beautiful 1936 852 Supercharged Phaeton. A good friend of mine owns this. He's a good friend of the firm as well. He's an Auburn expert. This car runs and drives great, and like I say, it'll be selling at no reserve, as well as scores of other cars, magnificent cars selling at no reserve. So Destination Auburn this Labor Day weekend, September 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Get your bidder registration taken care of, your hotel reservations, dinner reservations. Come and join us. We'll have a lot of fun, and we'll see you then.